Hello everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. Today I'll walk you through resolving the Roblox error code 277, which prompts you to check your internet connection and try again. This error emerged in 2022 and often stems from internet connectivity issues. Before diving into troubleshooting, try restarting your computer and modem router. If the issue persists, follow these steps: access the Windows search and type cmd, then select Run as administrator and grant permission. In the command prompt, execute the following commands sequentially. Commands provided in the description: ipconfig flushdns to clear the DNS cache, ipconfig release to release the IP address, ipconfig renew to obtain a new IP address, netsh winsock reset to reset the winsock catalog. Wait for each command to complete its operation. After executing the commands, press Windows key R to open the Run dialog, then type ncpa.cpl and click OK. Locate your active network connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, right-click it, and select Properties.
Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IP IPv4 and select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter Google's DNS server addresses. Preferred DNS server 8.8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. Click Oklahoma to apply the changes, then right-click on your network connection and choose Disable. Wait a few seconds, then right-click again and select Enable. Restart your PC to finalize the changes. These steps should resolve the Roblox error code 277. If the issue persists, consider seeking further assistance. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.